Guys, I just wanted to share a quick video about how you can share CBD tea with your whole family without, trying to make them individual glasses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 packs of my CBD tea right here, okay? And then, let's see, switch the camera around. And customize your car insurance so you only pay for what you need. Please. And then we're going to put it into this jar right here. See if I can do it with one hand. Okay? So I already still have a little bit of water left over. That's fine. I'm going to add my CBD tea in here. I should have had one of my kids hold this camera for me. Okay, so I cut the CBD tea, and we're just going to pour both packs into the water. Okay? There's only a little bit of water in here right now, that's fine. So basically this is like, we're making like CBD lemon water, okay? So that everybody can have the health benefits. You know, it's not going to be as intense as a cleanse, but it's going to be some good vitamins for everybody drinking water in my house, okay? So I'm going to add lemon and mint. Let's cut this mint off. Give it a rinse. Okay, and then just add that in there. And then we're going to take a whisk and stir it up to make sure that our powder, I probably should have stirred it before I added all this stuff in here. Hold on. You can have one, I don't care. So ever since I've been on my detox, the whole family's been eating better, okay? We haven't eaten meat in a couple of weeks, and, now my kid's about to go eat some seaweed. And I've just been making healthier choices because, what's the point of trying to... Wait a minute. What's in the cabinet? It's fine. I just told him he can have it. Oh, I didn't know. Okay, and then we're just going to fill up the gallon here. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Hold on 1 second. Some regular water. 1 second, honey. Okay. So now I'm just making sure that it's fully diluted in here. But that's it, you guys. Okay, I just put 2 packs in here. I added the lemon and the mint so that it could be like not so, distorted lemonade taste, more like a lemon water taste. So, yes, that's just one idea where you can help enhance the health of your whole family very easily with CBD tea. Okay, thanks for watching.